Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be on how to re-moisturize your hair midweek and how to quickly do it using only one product. I know a lot of us struggle with keeping our hair moisturized. It's a really big issue for me. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I do it and also the little tips and tricks that I use to be on top of dry hair. Dry hair is not cute. Dry hair is the reason why your hair is breaking. Dry hair is the reason why you can't retain your length. So today's video is pretty exciting. I know I'm looking a little crazy. I definitely could have cleaned up before this, but this is real life. This is what we look like. So the best way to re-moisturize your hair, especially if you have naturally dry hair, is to reset your hair. Go through your routine, wash, deep condition, and re-moisturize your hair all together. But we don't always have the time to do this. We don't always want to do this. So I'm going to show you how I re-moisturize halfway through the week when my hair is looking a little crazy, when it's extremely dry. If you don't have time to go through your routine, the worst thing you can do is to let your hair dry out, especially halfway through the week. Or if you're not going to wash your hair at all, but you want to postpone your wash day, the worst thing you can do is to let your hair dry out. You don't want to do that. I will highly recommend you not doing that. You don't have to listen to me though, I don't know. But infusing some moisture into our hair does not have to be complicated, and it does not have to be as difficult as we think it needs to be. Let's not overthink this. Let's strip down all of the products that we have that we think we need to use and keep it simple. Now, if you don't have time to reset your hair, then I'll show you what I do and I'll meet you in the shower. No, I don't pick up a spray bottle if my hair is feeling super dry. I know we don't want to start over, but moisturizing my hair in the shower is one of the best ways for me to actually infuse water into my strands. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Here we are in the shower. This is what my hair looks like. She is quite dry. If you want a good video on how to identify if your hair is dry to the touch or actually dry, I will link one in the cards and down below. And for some reason, I always have a random bobby pin in my hair. Anyway, so to re-moisturize my hair in the shower, I obviously use hot water. I don't shower with cold water, but what I do is I wet my hands and I run it down my hair like this. So I wet my hand, put some water onto my hair. I don't actually wet my hair entirely, but this little technique of just wetting my hand and running it down my hair not only is therapeutic for me, low-key, but I can feel my hair softening up. I can feel my hair absorbing the moisture and the water. I can feel her getting a little bit more hydrated. And with my ends, I will actually go and wet them just because they are the oldest part of your hair. They need the extra attention. They need the extra love. So I go ahead and wet my ends entirely. It's important to note that I don't own a shower cap. I don't use shower caps. I don't find it necessary at all to prevent my hair from getting moisture or water. This is how I quickly steam my hair while I shower daily. As my hair absorbs the water, she starts to shrink up, she starts to soften up, she just feels really good, and this is exactly what I want when I shower. And yes, I do this every single day because I shower every day. Depending on the style that I have, I do it. I let some water hit my hair. There is nothing wrong with water and your hair. So after I'm done doing that, of course, moving on to skincare, etc., I'm going to wash my body, obviously. But as I do this, notice what's happening. This is me with the door open, okay, in the shower. And look how it's just steaming up. And that steam is the secret recipe, the secret sauce to moisturizing my hair / steaming my hair in the shower. All right, so I'm out of the shower. My hair is not wet, but it is damp. There's no water dripping down my neck or anything like that. I know we love that. She feels really good, and that is the perfect time for me to moisturize my hair. So what I've been using lately is one product, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys because when I stumble across something that works, I love sharing it. So the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be using is by Azure Beauty. And if you watch my channel, then you know that there's something that doesn't mesh well with me when it comes to the shampoo or the deep conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is great because I don't put it on my scalp first of all, but also it moisturizes my hair and keep it moisturized for days. The reason why I really enjoy this leave-in conditioner is because I find that it does everything that I need in one product. It has a variety of oils. It has baobab oil, almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera juice, glycerin. We all know glycerin is a humectant, so it attracts and draws moisture into your hair. It also has rosemary, peppermint oil. Did I say shea butter? Yeah, also has shea butter. So it's a great little product to moisturize and keep your hair moisturized for days. It is on the thicker side though, so if you have low porosity hair or your hair is really fine, then you're probably not going to enjoy this. But if you have thick, dry, 4C hair, sis, okay. So what I'm going to do right now is go one twist at a time and moisturize my hair. Yes, one at a time. This isn't the time to rush through things. If you are skipping wash day anyway, why are you rushing? Okay, you are saving yourself a ton of time already, so you don't need to rush to this. I am going to use a bit of the leave-in. Just go through my twist. Just coat my hair, especially my ends. Just coat that bad boy up, and that's it. I am not concerned about detangling my hair. I am not going to use a comb or anything like that. I think that's unnecessary and can cause breakage, especially if you haven't washed and deep conditioned your hair. There is no reason to detangle. If I do come across some shedded hair, I will pull them out, but this is not the point. Right now, I am just coating my hair with the product, like so, and twist it back up. Just like that, we have our first twist. This does not need to take very long. I typically just do this in the shower after I do my skincare. So it's not going to be something that takes long, but I do like to make sure that I'm going twist by twist to make sure that my hair is actually retaining the moisture that I just put into it. Once you come out of the shower, your hair should feel really good just because water moisturizes your hair. But if you want it to stay moisturized for longer, then you should coat it with a product. That's how I've been doing it. And I know there's a lot of new recipes nowadays as to how you should moisturize your hair. Some people don't believe in leave-in conditioners at all or oils. But me and my house, we still do, until further notice. Now, if you're a part of my Protective Style Challenge, I just want to squeeze in an update quickly. So this technically will classify as a short-term protective style just because my hair is twisted, it's put away. I usually just put it up into a bun so it doesn't rub against my clothes. And the reason why I haven't had my hair braided yet is because I injured my finger. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. I jammed my finger in my car door, and I'm just letting her heal. Once my finger feels better, which it does already, but once I feel like it's ready to braid my hair, then I will braid my hair again. Anyways, back to moisturizing our hair. Of course, we're taking our time. We're very gentle. See how I'm just doing this downward motion. I'm not doing a bunch of crazy stuff. I'm gentle with my hair. You have to be very gentle when you're handling your natural hair at every single step of the way. When you're washing, when you're deep conditioning, when you're detangling, when you're moisturizing. You just have to be nice to her all the time. There's no reason to be mean to your hair, okay? And this is what my hair looks like when she's moisturized. This is why I always say not to go based on what your hair looks like, but rather what she feels like. While we're on the topic of moisturizing our natural hair, let's go through my favorite leave-in conditioners. I get this question all the time, so let's take this opportunity to answer it. First up, we have the Melanin leave-in conditioner. I really love this one. It smells really nice. It's a cult favorite. It's not too thick, not too watery, so it's kind of like a medium consistency. Up next, we have Moisture Love. It's their leave-in conditioner serum. It's on the lighter side, but it smells amazing. I can't speak of favorite leave-in conditioners without talking about IMONatural. Love this stuff, super thick. You have to do this to get it out of the bottle. But once you do, it's a dream to use on your hair. The consistency is perfect too. It's on the thicker side, but absorbs into your hair easily and just leaves it feeling so nice. One of my favorite products. We're adding the Azure leave-in conditioner to the list. You've already seen the consistency. It's nice. It is pretty mentholated in terms of scent, so just keep that in mind. And last but not least, I can't forget my low porosity girls. If you want something on the lighter side, this is a hair milk by Up North Natural. Very watery. You can see the consistency here, but it will melt into your hair. If you just want to give your hair a nice quick drink of moisture, then this is it. And we're almost done moisturizing our hair. We're still going strong over here. And also pay attention to your ends. Remember, they're the oldest part of your hair, so they love the attention. And there you are, we're done. Look at that 4C goodness. She is moisturized. She feels really, really good. She's soft. And I know she's going to be moisturized for a few days, so that just makes me really happy. She's also growing. You can't really tell by how much shrinkage I get, but you can tell that my twists have gotten, you know, a little thicker, a little juicier. I'll take it any day. So my hair is done. It feels really nice. It feels really soft. And because I didn't start with my hair extremely wet, it's going to dry fast too. You can honestly do this in 15 or so minutes. So there's no excuse. Don't let your hair dry out, okay? Just don't do it. Of course, I look like a little girl, but I'm okay with that. I'm not going anywhere. I am actually just gonna put my hair back into a little bun on top of my head. That's been like my signature look for quarantine. Boom, there we go. My hair is moisturized, my hair is protected, and sometimes that's all you want. This is how to quickly re-moisturize your hair during the week. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it down below. Give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.